when you walk in, this is trash that I have to take out. This is my clothes, and then my suitcase, and then I have all this stuff down. Well, see, what had happened was I have no furniture in here, so I have nowhere to put stuff except for down here. So yeah, so everything is on the ground, kind of situated, but this is gonna be fixed soon. And I have this table. I had some stuff in that corner. I just put everything on the table, so I'm gonna remove that, and then and then this is the bed. So I bought a bed frame, I bought a dresser, a desk, and a chair. So yeah, this is about to be all brand new and changed. Everything is gonna change. Well, I'm not gonna paint the walls or anything, but you know, some of these stuff are gonna come down and things of that sort. But yeah, I'm gonna put you guys down, put a time lapse, and show you guys how the room comes from this to something new. Okay, so it's about 45 minutes later ish. Cleared everything out, took everything out. I think I need to put something here to hide this, because I don't believe there's paint that color of the wall anywhere in the house, because I remember we painted those two walls, but like I don't think we made it to that wall. So I might put the desk here, I don't know, we'll see, but I'm gonna put something to hide this. And then this AC, cannot move it, can't do it. Tried to lift it, couldn't do it. But this is everything. These ones, I think my aunt and uncle plan to change them, so I don't really know, but this is gonna stay this way. It's kind of like two closets, right? But this is what's left, the bed. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start from this corner and move down, cleaning the carpet, because once I finish this corner, then the bed could be put up, and then I can clean the rest of this situation here, right? And then put up the rest of the furniture little by little. But the bed gotta go first. Wow, my phone was upside down this whole time. But yeah, so I'm gonna move this table down here. Probably gonna clean the first half over there, go to sleep with the bed over here. But I'm gonna have to move this AC though. I don't know, still I'm gonna figure it out. But yeah, I'm gonna move this here, well, in fact, boom, here, because if somebody knows like a way to get rid of like hair on carpet faster, let me know, because I do hair in my room, and this is why it's like this. So I need help with like figuring out how to like not have much hair on the ground when I do hair. But yeah, that's that. I do all my wigs and stuff on my YouTube videos about hair and stuff. It's all done here, so I don't really know like how to clean it. I'm gonna try, but I don't really know. But yeah, so I'm just gonna put you down, and then you guys can see like a little time lapse of me doing everything or whatever. But yeah.
6 a.m. and I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion.
Alright, guys, so there was this big stain here. Now that I'm looking at it on the camera, I was cleaning it with Dawn dish soap, some hydrogen peroxide, and a brush and water, right? But now that I'm looking at it, I don't really see it. I thought I didn't do much. Hydrogen peroxide, Dawn dish soap, water, and then this carpet cleaner thing from Dollar Tree. I love my carpet and room deodorizer. Yeah, this one I just poured like a whole bunch of it on the ground. I don't know if you can see, but there's still some white spots. That's why my hand is dirty, but I just poured so much of it on the ground. I was like, you know what, it's just gonna all in, you know, all in. And I think it actually did something. It did pretty much like a good amount of thing. And if anybody's grossed out by vacuums, this is the second round of vacuum, because I had pulled out another vacuum at first, and then that other vacuum was making my back hurt, so I stopped using it. But I pulled this one, and I did 2 rounds with this vacuum, just this area. I did 2 rounds. I did the hydrogen, the dawn. Tomorrow, if I'm not tired, I might go back into that little section right there. I don't know if you can see it, but I might go back in another time tomorrow. And yeah, so this is it for tonight. It's already 11 o'clock. This was 2 hours worth of thing in a like 30-second time lapse. So yeah, I moved the bed here, so I'm gonna leave it here for tonight. And then tomorrow I'm just gonna put it up against the wall so we can like build the actual bed. And yeah, I'll catch y'all tomorrow. But I cleaned this whole area, and then I cleaned here, kind of like an L shape. I'm thinking, since now I'm looking at the room right now, right? I'm not sure if it's the best idea for me to put the bed facing that wall, because it's gonna take up so much space, right? So I might have to put the bed the same way it was, but just, yeah, the bed's gonna have to go the same way it was. Yeah, because could put the head here, but there's a window here, and that's usually where the AC would go in the summer, so I don't want to put it there. And that window's low-key a little bit cracked, so I don't want to touch that window. But we'll see. It depends on how big the bed becomes. We might have to like flip it around or just whatever. But yeah, I still don't know what layout I'm gonna do, but you know, that is the situation for today. I'm gonna try to fix up the bed a little bit so there's space to walk. But that's basically it. I took everything out, put everything downstairs, and then I'm gonna go through them all, and like anything I need to throw out, I will throw out, because like there's a lot of stuff that I'm pretty sure I don't need. So yeah, I will see y'all tomorrow. Peace. All right, guys. Hello. It's day 2. My hair is messed up again, like usual. I'm trying to let my hair out so I can because my head has become way too sensitive because I've been doing too many protective stuff. So I'm trying to expose my hair a little bit so it becomes less sensitive. But yeah, so have to bend over. We are outside because I am going to what's it called, spray paint a dresser shelf. I don't know what it is, but you're gonna see it. I'm just gonna spray paint it, and yeah, that's what I'm basically gonna do today. That's the first thing we're gonna do because it's still a little bit of daylight, so, and it's also cold. It's 30 degrees, so I'm gonna try to do this quick. Yeah, you guys are gonna see me spray painting away. Yeah.
Don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la, 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 la.
Okay guys, so first spray paint job. What do y'all think? I think I got the coats good. I don't know, I'm just now looking at it English. I'm just now looking at it up close with the flashlight, and oop, I missed that part. It's just right here. Missed the whole angle. Oop, oop. Did I mess up my camera? Okay, now I got it. Didn't worry about those bottoms because who's gonna see them unless you're real sneaky. But oh, look at it. The camera's really telling me all the truths. And then the last one, Same thing, just the top part. And I think that's about it. Black shelf. Whew, okay, next project. Also, I wanted to show you guys the furniture. This is the table. Right. Cool. This is the bed, and it's gonna be the first thing we do. And then this is the dresser. And then, oh yeah, this is the chair. So yeah, and then I got like a little mirror and all that stuff. But yeah, this is where everything is. Hope I didn't mess up my sweater with the spray paint, but yeah. And also, if you're wondering where I put everything in my room, I put them right here. I'm gonna like declutter and like clean things out a lot, but these are like new things I bought. So like new comforter, new pillows and stuff like that. And then this shoe thing, it used to hold my bags, but I got something to hold my bags, so it's not gonna be like that anymore. And then I might keep this little black dresser just to put like miscellaneous stuff in there, so like this situation doesn't happen again, right? And then most of these are like business stuff, and then this thing in the back is not mine, but all these boxes are business stuff. And my business stuff are at my school at the dorm. So like when I come back from school and summer vacation, then I'll have like a new organization. But for now, keep them in these boxes. But yeah, this is basically it, y'all. Okay, so hopefully my phone doesn't die. Oh, got a bin. Hopefully my phone doesn't die. But what I'm about to do is I'm about to lean this bed against this so I can like vacuum this area. Yeah, that's basically what's about to happen. This area I think is dry. I don't know. I haven't even, that area that I scrubbed last night, oh, still not dry, but I think it's gonna be okay because that's where the bed is gonna go and nobody's really gonna touch there. I kept talking but came off camera, but yeah, nobody's really gonna touch there. Just finished spray painting the shelf, so now I'm about to take care of this bed situation.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la, 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 la. And I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend.
December 31st of 2021, 11:45, and we made it. I was like, I'm gonna build the room before the new year, and yeah, it's 11:45, and the nightstand is supposed to be here, but it's coming January 10th, so that's gonna be built at its own time. I don't know if I should put like a side rug here or not. I don't know. But yeah, I got this one. And then I have a little perfume makeup organizer type thing over here. And then this is the bed. Tie-dye pink and white from Marshall's. I'm gonna do like a room tour when everything is done. But this is the thing that I painted in black. This is the desk, and new makeup kit, like makeup set. I'm so mad that this only came, oh, it's blurry, that this came with, like, I bought them separate, right? But like this one doesn't have this, and it pisses me off. It makes me so mad. So like I'm trying to figure out something to like put there so like my makeup don't get everywhere like my old case. But yeah, and then this is my mirror. So bright, real bright. So I got this one right here, and then I got this bright one, and it also changes colors. Yeah, I don't know what this P button means. It doesn't do nothing. But got this mirror, this candle. It's really good. But it's supposed to be on the nightstand, but it's here for now until the nightstand comes. And I got another spinny thingy. But yeah, guys, this is the room for now. I'm gonna give like a full complete room tour, but I think this is it, guys, because it's about to be 12 and it's about to be 2022, and you know we gotta do the little watch TV and scream until 2022. So yeah, I will see you guys. Happy New Year, everybody. Thank you for watching. I will do a part 2 to this video, but thank you so much for watching. I need like ideas of like stuff to put on the walls, by the way. I don't know what to put on the walls, but yeah, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you really liked it. It is something different from what I usually do, but yeah, you know, you gotta like switch it up sometimes. But yeah, I will see you guys next year, I guess. Bye y'all. Happy New Year.